Hi everyone. Once again, welcome back to a new lesson. My name is Binu and you are watching me on Bmc English. Friends, since the language of this video in English itself, I assume that it will help you to improve your communication skills. So please simply don't listen to it. Instead, learn it, understand it and use it. In the previous lesson, we learned that primary auxiliary verbs are used both as main verbs and as auxiliary verbs. Yes, in this lesson, we are going to understand how to use the keyword is both as an auxiliary verb and as a main verb. So before we go through a lot of examples, let's understand the basic rule. Please look at the board. Is. We use is in the present tense and we use is when the subject is he, she, it, third person singular pronoun, or we use is with a singular noun. For example, Ravi. Okay, please repeat after me. He is, she is, it is, Ravi is. Is that clear? Now, we use here all these examples. Please look at the board. She is a student, he is a teacher, she is happy, he is an Indian, Ravi is a driver, she is thirsty, or she is at home. See, here we use is as a main verb. When we use is as a main verb, it shows the state of the subject. Look at the first example. She is a student. Here is a main verb and it functions or it plays the role of the main verb and it shows the state of the subject. Okay, I mean condition, feeling or identity of the subject. Okay, look at the next example. He is a teacher. See, is a main verb. It shows the state of the subject. Okay, state of the subject. Now, she is happy, like he is an Indian, Ravi is a driver, she is thirsty, he is at home. All the sentences shows the state of the subject. Now, let's learn how to change these positive sentences into negative. If you want to change the positive sentence into negative, is becomes is not. Okay, and isn't is the shortened form of is not. In spoken English, we often use this shortened form. Is that clear? Now, let's change these sentences into negative. She is a student becomes she is not a student. He is a teacher becomes he is not a teacher. She is happy becomes she isn't happy. He is an Indian becomes he isn't an Indian. Like that, you can make as many sentences as possible. Okay, please do it. I really hope that you understood this part of this sentences. Next, we are going to learn how to use is as an auxiliary verb. Okay, we have already learned auxiliary verb helps the main verb. Now let's go through some examples. Please look at the board. Yes, let me write the first one. She is eating an apple. Look at this sentence. It's in present continuous. Here is not the main verb. Is an auxiliary verb or a helping verb. It helps the main verb. What is the main verb here? Eating. Okay, let me give you the next example. He is driving. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. Okay, here driving is the main verb and is the helping verb. It helps the main verb. Okay, the next one. It is raining. It is raining. Okay, the next one. He is washing. He is washing his car. Okay, the next one, Sheila is cooking dinner. Look at all these examples. So here is plays the role of an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb helps the main verb. Okay, now change these sentences into negative. It's very easy. Is becomes is not. Okay, and the shortened form is isn't. Please repeat after me. She is eating an apple. So when we change into negative, she isn't eating an apple. He isn't driving a car. It isn't raining. He is washing his car becomes he isn't washing his car. Sheila is cooking dinner. It's a positive sentence, and when we change into negative sentence, it becomes Sheila isn't cooking dinner. Friends, I really hope that you understood this lesson and you found it very useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will be back soon with another lesson. Thank you very much for watching BMC English. Thank you, friends.